Hello! In this series, we're exploring Okinawa in December. We took about a one-week family trip and traveled around the island. What is winter in Okinawa really like? What can you enjoy? Weather, food, and places to visit. I'll share our trip one day at a time. If you're planning a winter Okinawa trip, I hope this helps. We flew from Haneda to Naha. It was rainy on day one. From Naha Airport, we took the Yui Rail, Okinawa's monorail, and rode to Asahibashi Station. This was our first winter trip to Okinawa. The first thing we noticed was the warmth. It was 22 degrees Celsius today. That's about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than Tokyo in December. No down jacket needed. A simple long sleeve was enough. We checked into a hotel near the station. After that, we took the Yui Rail again and went to Makishi Station. At the ticket gates, you don't have to buy a paper ticket. You can tap an IC card, including on your phone. And you can also tap a contactless credit card or a phone wallet. It's very traveler-friendly, including for overseas visitors. At the station, we also found fresh orange juice. 1 cup is 500 yen, squeezed on the spot, with a clean and fresh taste. From Makishi Station, we walked toward Kokusai Dori. Kokusai Dori is Naha's main tourist street, often featured in guidebooks. Souvenir shops, local sweets, restaurants, and small stores selling Okinawan crafts line the street. Even in the rain, it was busy. We saw visitors from overseas, and also Japanese high school students on school trips. Walking along the street, we arrived at Makishi Public Market. On the first floor, Okinawa's seafood is sold very fresh. Sometimes still alive, there was a porcupine fish, the one that inflates into a ball of spikes. In Okinawa, it's also eaten. And there were colorful tropical fish that you don't usually see in Tokyo. Along with that, there were big crabs, shrimp, and many kinds of shells. We spent some time just looking around with the kids, and here as well, you can pay cashless, including by credit card. We bought a great green turban shellfish. It's a large sea snail that's popular in Okinawa. In this market, you can take what you buy to the second floor. They cook it for you in the food court area upstairs, and you can eat it there. So we went upstairs and waited. We also kept the shell. If you polish it, a mother of pearl layer appears, and it becomes a beautiful decoration. I'd like to try polishing it during this trip, or after we get back home. And later, I want to upload a separate video about that. After the meal, we walked back toward Makishi Station. On the way, we tried a newer Okinawan sweet, salt soft serve ice cream made with Okinawan salt. On the table, there were different salt toppings, so you can change the flavor. Matcha salt, cocoa salt, and several kinds of sea salt. One topping was taco rice flavor. I tried it once, and for me, it was an acquired taste. We also bought a Miyakojima soda made with salt from Miyako Island. It had a very distinctive flavor, and it also felt like an acquired taste. After that, we went back to Asahibashi and rested at the hotel. Later, we went to a nearby shabu shabu restaurant for dinner. Shabu shabu is a Japanese hot pot where you quickly cook thin slices of meat in broth. We enjoyed local pork and Okinawan dishes. Day one was mostly a travel day. Tomorrow, we start exploring Okinawa more seriously. See you in day 2. Stay tuned.